Hi, it's Mrs. Singley. Well, today we're talking about cause and effect. And we've already talked about this, so this is a review. And you may have remembered about Fern. And we talked about causes and effects about Fern. And the first one says, Fern flew to the boat in the sky. This is our event. Fern learns about clouds. And then it says, she learned that the cloud wasn't solid. She fell right through the cloud. So we're going to talk about what cause and effect is, the definition. I'm going to show you some pictures, and you're going to practice with those pictures. And then we're going to look at our story this week, which is about building bridges. Okay, here's our definition. So, when one event causes another to happen, the cause is the why it happened. And the effect is what happened. Here's a good picture. So, let's say it started to rain. And because it rained, we had to pull out our umbrella. Now, there are some key words that go with cause and effect. I'm going to share with those. As a result of, because of, by virtue of, consequently, due to the fact, on account of, thus, resulting in, seeing that, since, so, thanks to, the reason for, therefore, whereas, and which means. Those are all words related to cause and effect. Well, here's one of my favorite stories. If you give a mouse a cookie. Now this is the cause, the why something happened. If you give a mouse a cookie, what happens if you give a mouse a cookie? Oh, the mouse will get thirsty and will ask you for a glass of milk. That's what happened afterward. Okay, I want you to try one. Look at this picture. The words say, you ate too much candy. Uh-oh. Look at that plate full of candy. What would happen if you ate all that candy? Oh, maybe you said you got a cavity. Your teeth got yucky. Or maybe you said you got sick. That would also be an effect. Let's try another one. Here's another one. You didn't tie your shoes. What might happen if you didn't tie your shoes? Well, you tripped and fell. Or maybe you got hurt. That is the effect. The cause was the shoes were untied. The effect is you tripped and fell and maybe got hurt. Here's another good one. Let's see if you can guess the effect. Here's the cause. You stayed up late last night. Okay, what do you think the effect would be of staying up late? You felt tired the next day, and maybe you fell asleep at school, or maybe fell asleep on the couch. That is the effect of staying up late. Okay, let's look at our story now. Okay, in our Large Wonders book this week, you're reading a story called Building Bridges, and it is a non-fiction text. Do you remember what that is? You might need to pause the video and discuss with your parent what that is. Well, non-fiction is, it has real facts about people, places, or things. And it will also have, as you see here, real photos. And so our skill, remember, is cause and effect. So we're going to look at some pieces of this story, and I'm going to fill in a multi-flow map. So now you're going to hear me read a section of this story, and we're going to decide what was the cause and what is the effect of building bridges. Okay, I'm going to read this short paragraph here. It says, the Sunshine Skyway Bridge in Florida stretches for 4 miles. This is a cable-stayed bridge. Sturdy wires help this bridge stay up. The wires are joined at tall towers so they don't fall. Okay, let's fill in our multi-flow map next. Okay, so our cause is sturdy wires help build the cable-stayed bridge. This helped build the bridge, and the effect was the cable stayed bridge stayed up. It was sturdy. It didn't fall over. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, let's look at this one. Our caption says, this bridge is made of steel. The Firth of Forth Bridge in Scotland is a truss bridge. It is built above a river. Do you see the triangles? I do. There's a lot of triangles. And we're going to learn about triangles in our math. The roadway needs to be supported. The triangle tubes support it. The triangles join each section of the bridge. Okay, let's fill in our next part of our map. Okay, our next cause was triangle tubes support the beams on the truss bridge. Well, what was the effect of those triangles? The truss bridge stays up. Okay, that's it.